Hey everyone, we're going in depth with the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACS today, a display that claims to deliver excellent performance for both professionals and gamers. Does the professional-grade monitor that the manufacturer claims it is live up to the hype? To determine whether it's really worth your investment, let's take a deeper look at its display, technical details, appearance, software, and general performance. The ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACS initially appears to have the traditional ROG gaming line appearance. A closer look reveals several distinctive specs, though. The monitor's top and side bezels are remarkably tiny, measuring only 8mm. This produces an almost seamless impression that lets you get completely engrossed in the action. With the recognizable ROG logo in the center, the lower bezel is marginally wider. This model has thoughtful ergonomics. The stand has complete adjustment capabilities, including a 120mm height adjustment, a -5 degrees to 20 degrees tilt, and a 45 degrees swivel. The monitor can also be turned 90 degrees to display in portrait mode, which is a helpful feature for vertical gaming or multitasking. The smartphone slot built into the stand is a unique appearance feature that offers users both physical comfort and usefulness, as an extra screen or game controller. With its impressive 178 degrees horizontal and vertical viewing angles and 1 millisecond response time, the 27-inch fast IPS display of the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACS offers fast performance. With a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, the screen strikes a balance between performance and clarity. In addition, this monitor has extended color coverage of up to 133% sRGB and 97% DCI-P3, which guarantees accurate and vivid colors for both professional and gaming tasks. Its remarkable brightness level draws attention to its capacity to create both brilliant highlights and deep shadows. The matte finish and 1000:1 contrast ratio of the display provide a clear, glare-free viewing experience. The pixel pitch of 0.233mm improves visual detail even more, giving each frame a clear and sharp appearance. The 180Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond reaction time of the XG27ACS are two of its most alluring qualities. The key component of rapid and fluid graphics rendering for competitive gaming is ensured by this combination. For the smoothest gameplay possible, the display also supports the adaptive sync technologies G-Sync and FreeSync. These technologies remove input lag and screen tearing. ASUS has added a number of features for gamers that are meant to improve their gaming experience. These consist of display alignment tools, timers, FPS counters, and crosshairs. 9 preset display settings, tailored for various content genres such as racing, films, and landscapes, are available through the game visual function. Every setting improves particular aspects of gaming, while offering the highest quality images for every situation. Beyond its simple gaming features, the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACS incorporates cutting-edge technology such as Game Plus, which makes use of artificial intelligence to study and modify the crosshair in real time, for enhanced precision in aiming. Another useful feature is Dynamic Shadow Boost, which makes dark sections of the screen brighter without overpowering bright areas, making it easier to identify foes hiding in the shadows. The monitor has an extreme low motion blur feature that helps people who are worried about motion blur by minimizing it during rapid movements. It's important to note that when this option is enabled, screen brightness may be slightly reduced, so users should take that into account. Additionally, ASUS offers the Display Widget program, which enables you to change monitor settings straight from your desktop. Quick modifications can be made without perusing the on-screen menu, thanks to this program's simplification of the configuration process. An excellent gaming monitor that really lives up to its promise of professional-grade performance is the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACS. It is perfect for both demanding gaming sessions and precise work due to its high refresh rate, quick response time, and rich color accuracy. Even while it might not be the most affordable choice, the usefulness and construction quality more than make up for the cost. This monitor definitely belongs in the category of premium gaming accessories, since it offers the highest level of comfort and performance. Please remember to hit the like button and support our channel if this review was helpful to you. Your opinions are much appreciated. Until we meet again, have fun gaming, have a nice day and God bless you.